going to say so far so good, but it looks like Larry and Sean both rolling. So right now, Frankie Ponte takes the lead, followed by Larry, Giovanni, and Sean. Frankie right now running a 32.604. Third after the change, after the second. Larry 29.610.
Boy, he got no faith.
29.610.
No faith that I'll be able to hold the lead.
Frankie on lap 2 still leads the pack.
Nope.
Followed by Larry, Giovanni, and Sean. So Larry now in the lead. 22.601. Frankie battling for that number 1 spot back. He drops to the number 2 spot. So right now your 2 cars coming in the middle. They are the 2 leaders. And your leader coming up to the start finish line, that is Larry, followed by Frankie. And Giovanni is in the 3rd spot right there.
No! No! No!
147,
No.
where you go? Larry, Frankie, and Giovanni. Larry running a 21.606 lap pace, Frankie a 26.07, 5.5 seconds behind Larry, and Giovanni in number 3 spot with a 26.14. He's 2 seconds behind Frankie. .225 down, 3:35 to go. Larry, Frankie, Giovanni, and Sean. Frankie's going back. Larry's back to lap 19.34. And now we're back in round 2, the old T2 of 15.505. Frankie, a 20.25. And back in lap 3, and Giovanni is a 20.7, back in lap 6. Three-ten down, 250 to go. Larry, Frankie, and Giovanni. Race number 4, you guys are up next. Novice. This is your A-Main, Chris, Frey, Gavin, Mason, Connor, Gene.
Nah! Oop, sorry. Alright, Larry, I can't let you lap me.
340 down, 2 points to go. Larry, Frankie, and Giovanni. Larry just checked in with a 20.618.
Oh! Oh, he's catching me. He's catching me. Oh, and of course I pipe it.
Down, 1 point to go. Larry, Frankie, and Giovanni. And looks like now they're on 2. So 5 down, 1 to go. Looks like at least one Giovanni is going to be in that top 3. Larry and Frankie, 40 seconds left. Hopefully he'll be able to complete their lap, see what happens.
Something's not sounding right on mine. I hope I finish. I think I
20
do.
seconds. 10 seconds.
Oh, I missed it.
Frankie, you're done.
Oh.
And our winner coming to the start finish line.